MFI Stock analysis and predictions in 1 minute time. Watch this short video till the end to gain clarity on whether I'm buying or selling next. We're sitting at 231. The price is down 77%. Let's go a little bit back and let me show you my exact approach with MFI. Now, just to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins 2023. And I'm telling you all of that because that's the truth and I've documented everything. So MF International Limited, I'm bearish on it, right? Although they really don't have that much data, but with the data that I do have, it's just bearish for me, man. Like it's really not. I'm not here to sell you any courses. I have no courses to sell you. This is my genuine opinion, right? So, and I'm willing, to wait and see if this thing goes a little bit, maybe fills in the gaps and then goes lower, because most of the times that's what's happening. But I'm only really going to look for potentially something bullish if there's breaks above 243 or whatever, right? The highs that we have there, the previous high that caused the low. So it's not financial advice. This is just my idea and forecast. I have no course to sell you, so for free resources and value, check the first link in the description.